This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a robust Python app on your phone, Termux for power users, Pidroid for ease. Once done, grant storage and permissions so files are accessible. You create a project folder immediately and set up an isolated environment or accept the app's interpreter. This avoids dependency conflicts. Make sure to update packages now, run pip or pkg updates. Then open a simple main py and print a test message to verify the runtime is working. You now build features iteratively. Add small functions, then import them in your main script. Modular design keeps memory usage low. Use the on-device editor for file edits and the REPL for immediate feedback. This short feedback loop speeds debugging. Once done with a change, run quick asserts or unit tests to catch regressions. If you need packages, pip install them and restart the interpreter. Also, profile heavy loops to reduce battery and CPU drain. Optimize when performance matters. You finish by packaging or deploying. For local use, freeze scripts. For web apps, run a lightweight server and expose it via localhost or tunneling. Once packaged, test on different screen sizes and simulate low memory conditions to ensure stability. If things go wrong, inspect error logs first and confirm dependency versions match your environment, then recheck app permissions and storage access. Finally, recreate the issue with a minimal script. That makes debugging faster and ensures your fix addresses the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.